guys doing? Hope you're doing fine. Hope you're discoing. Hope you're happy. Hope you're independent. Oh. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. Before I start, please like, subscribe, even comment. If you comment, if you like, if you subscribe, that would motivate me to upload more videos. That would give suggestions to other users, the algos for YouTube. If you're very selfish, please think about yourself and comment and like so I can upload more. I don't have the motivation now. Please motivate me by like, subscribe, and comment, please. Let the algo see me. How you guys doing? In this presentation, I'm arguing for a pullback, a severe pullback in the market, maybe a liquidation mode. It does not mean the end of the world. It means go into the USD as a safe haven, and everything goes down, not collapse, just a brief time. I really don't know. I just do things one by one, day by day. I really don't know. I'm just a trader. If you watch my videos, most of them sometimes can give you a view, but it does not mean if I am bearish in the markets, does not mean it's going to be bearish forever. It means sometimes 3 days after the video, things happen. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes wrong, but I really believe my analysis. All right, so this is the USD DXY in the daily time frame. So what I see here, I see a beautiful stochastic coming out of oversold. It's going to update on Monday, and this bad boy is going to come out of 20. Usually when it comes out of 20 after a period of consolidation, something good happen. So what do I see more than that? You can check it out later on your own time, and you see that really good moves after it comes out of oversold after a period of time. So the psychology is like that. You go down with no price memory. You go up quickly because you don't have that many support and resistance. You have a period of consolidation, but it's not really here. You have a period of consolidation, but it's really the same as here. That's why you went through this one like knife through butter. See? So this is how psychology goes. Goes down quickly, goes up quickly because of the lack of price memory. Goes like that. So what do I see beside the stochastic and this lack of price memory? I see a breakout of this bullish wedge right here with beautiful candle right here. I see a breakout over the 10-day moving average, which means good stuff usually. If you break down, it means bad things happen. Good deal. So what do I see? I see a beautiful beyond morning star red candle, indecisive candle, and beautiful white candle. If the white candle stopped here, that's a beautiful morning. So this is beyond beautiful morning star. So what happens in the past whenever you have morning or evening star? This happened in the past, an evening star, and this happened. Morning star, and this happened. And this is the concept is a morning star, an evening star, but it's not. But it's the concept. You don't have to be technical about it. It's all about the behavioral, the psychology. So this is an evening star, even though it does not fit the pattern perfectly. So this happened. So what happened in addition to that? Bullish divergence. What happened before this happened? Okay. And you can check it on your own time. So you have bullish divergence, breakout in the bullish wedge, a morning star with a bullish divergence too. See? And this happens. Is it significant historically? Yes. Is it going to be something significant in the future? We don't know, but we have to play by the rules. Good? Beautiful. So this is a brief in the daily time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame. So we have, let's look at the candles first. We have beautiful piercing in the weekly time frame. That piercing, the low, was a price memory of many things like this downtrend line. This area represents this. It represents first a Fibonacci extension from this low to this high, gives us 138 Fib extension, and also a Fibonacci extension from this low to this high gives us 162 Fib extension. Also, a retracement from this low to this high gives us almost 76% Fib retracement. Does that work? You can see. Did it find buyers? Absolutely. If somebody tells you otherwise, I mean, they really are really lazy. So, Fibonacci extensions and retracements. Going back. So this explained that price, the Fibonacci retracements and extensions right here in the weekly time frame. Let's talk about the memory. Oh, Marona mia. You could extend the duration of this chart and you see the memory. So extension, retracement, memory. So found buyers even in this downtrend line. So what else? MACD is in a bullish mode. Okay, that's beautiful in the weekly time frame. Stochastic is downtrending, but it is possible that it moves back up. So what do I see in the weekly time frame? Piercing pattern that came with what I just said. What happened before? We had a beautiful white candle, shooting star, and a bearish engulfing. So what happened after that? This happened. So what happened here? Same thing. So Japanese candles matter in the weekly time frame. So I explained the daily and the price memory and Fibonacci extension and all this stuff. I explained the bullish divergence. I explained the weekly, and I explained all this stuff. So let's look at the put to call, equity put to call in the daily time frame. So what do I see? If you are Kareem and Abdul Jabbar that are watching me, this is my signal that I always talk about, which I call the disco signal. So we had a change in sentiment in one day of 25% in equity put to call. This I love. So this change gave me the bullish crossover. That does not mean a total collapse. Please do remember that. If you look at my chart, sometimes, most of the times, it worked, but it does not mean forever. I am a trader. Okay? So based on my trader psychology, the market very likely to retrace based on DXY bullishness based on the equity put to call, which I call the disco signal. So this is the if this is the first time, this is the 20-day moving average on the red, and this is the 50-day moving average on the blue. Good. If you could go back to my videos, I explained that a lot. Let's look at, this is the equity protocol. Let's look at the basic conventional technical analysis. This is called disco combo, which you have a bullish crossover in the stochastic and the MACD at the same time. Most of the time, if you look at in the past, it produces a price expansion to the upside. So a price expansion to the upside in the equity protocol results in retracements in the market. You might look at the video 2 months later and the Dow at 50,000. You say, oh, this guy is full of it. But if you look at my video 1 week after that, you can see what I'm talking about. So if you watch my videos, look at the time after I uploaded the video. I'm not trying to brag. I'm just saying I want you to put things into context. So I'm thinking price market retracement. Everything goes down for a liquidation mode. Then it might go back up. I really don't know. So let's look at the S&P in the daily time frame. So what do I see? Whoa, the disco combo right here. Okay, so that means retracement. If history repeat itself, you could check it on your own time and you see how accurate it is. Good. So what do I see in the Japanese candles? I see this hanging man and a confirmation of the hanging man, and you have the algos buying at the 10-day moving average. Once you break below the 10-day moving average, bearishness will take place. Okay, so this is for the people that think there's always a random walk in the park. Look at the chart and you will debunk yourself. So what do I see? I see retracement. Do I know the future? Absolutely not. Would it go back up? Absolutely. Would I believe in my analysis all the way? So the only thing I don't like so far, there is no extreme evidence of the liquidation mode. A lot of portfolio managers switched from equity to bonds. They didn't sell bonds yet. Sometimes they do it briefly because of they're trying to find any way to hide. So that helps the TLT. This is TLT ETF, helps it to have a price expansion to the upside. Maybe once these guys get overwhelmed, they switch to cash. So there is some bullishness in the price structure for TLT, yet it's below the 10-day moving average. And yet the MACD is almost in bearish mode. So if you think about the rules, this is still a bullish mode. So once it goes below that, bearishness starts. If you think about the rules, this is still, it might go back up. So this is not bearish yet. But we are very close to bearish. So I really don't know. I don't have any confirmation of any bearishness in TLT except the 10-day moving average. Okay, so I really don't know the future, but as I said before, this one I posted a video, I uploaded a video. This explained the 162% FIP extension, which marked from here, which marked the top. So I don't know the future yet. I will always believe in my analysis. Okay. So there's some bearishness here, but there's no confirmation. Once this bad boy goes down, the MACD, you will have what I called the liquidation mode. The liquidation mode does not mean a total collapse of the market. It means if you're a chartist, you go to cash or you sell short. Please like if you like, subscribe, comment, and please don't forget to support this video, and don't forget to support disco. And please do remember that no matter what happens, disco is always forever.